snowstorm coming. Everything started up and running. Dad's 57 fired up, 64 fired up. I need to start up the truck. I've been out here since about 8 o'clock, 8:30. It's been 25 degrees. So how bundled up I am. But get some stuff fixed. Everything's ready for storm and freeze and started and been run. So everything's good. And I got this. Oh, wait. I gotta touch up that part. But anyway, my dad's name, well, that's what everybody called him, was Dimp. Dimp after Jack Dempsey. And I found this, stumbled across this in the early 60s, actually 50s and 60s. It was a cam maker called Dempsey Wilson. He made racing cams. So, what better way? That's Dad's nickname, and now it's on my car. We're going to put it on Dad's 57 also. But that's odd, ain't it? Dempsey Wilson, same last name too. Snow. Just going to touch these up real quick. These M's. Yeah, I come here today. I was gonna paint, finish painting, and then put my bottom end, my motor together. But it's way cold. It's so cold you can't even get the paint to even attempt to flow. But I did put my foam on here. I just gotta paint it now. But yeah, it's snowing out here. Hot Rod Alley. Supposed to get about 11 inches. Which I seriously doubt, but I kind of hope we do. It'd be nice to get out and play in the snow in the Skullburban. But it's Hot Rod Alley. See? Those are hot rods. And Colton is going to jump back on his S10. It's just, he ain't a fan of cold weather at all. And just got him a new Harley, a 2016 Harley. So he's kind of playing with it. And that can cost him a lot of money. It's hard to believe a 2016 costs as much as like an old 60s Harley. That don't make sense to me. The old ones is awesome. But, yeah, it's snowing. We're still doing it. Still piddling with these cars. 25 degrees out here. Like literally 25 degrees. But don't know no better.
See how these motherfuckers going somewhere, don't you? Watch what gets out of here.
That old rusted bourbon, giggle, giggle, giggle. Look at these new days, giggle, giggle.
This is what the Suburban was built for. Skullburban. First time moving in snow. We should let him try.
Go ahead. He know where taking a Duramax picture of the snow with the emblem. I said, won't you take a picture of the one that hooked to it? That's real as it gets. First snowstorm. try this granny 4-speed. We figured the crawl good.
But look, all the holes is patched up. The heat works.
Yeah.
You cut your ear too.
Did I?
Oh no, that's where you touched it.
Fucking tore all the hell. Two-wheel drive Suburban. That's the whole family in here.
Except for Casey.
Well, yeah, Casey, Candy, I said stay home. He said, I'll watch over the fire and take care of it. Make sure it stays warm and everything. I'll stay here in case y'all have trouble.
These roads ain't bad.
They ain't bad. They're solid eyes.
Sarcasm.
There's a car right there.
Yeah, they're just cruising along. We need to find untouched stuff.
Right there's untouched snow.
No, somebody's been up through there.
Go to the middle. That's what I'm talking about on her camera. What goes for her to be in here, it must be awful.
Mm-hmm.
Only when it's snowing.
That's in second gear. Oh, it's first. Uh-oh. Oh no. Let's put her in 4.
Quick, another truck. That thing's going back down. Hang on, Lacey.
What did you put in reverse?
They're going to get down here.
Or low.
Can't go fast enough. It'll stop.
What?
Y'all taking me back home?
You ever seen somebody wear all designer Michael Kors stuff to go out on the snow? Look, I got sliding. You slide?
I can't see.
Oh, look at him sliding.
It's disappointing in my back in the building. I think I won't go back.
Who cares about backing up a bank? He's trying to back up the steepest bank we can find.
This here's pretty steep.
You want to go to the bottom and drive up it?
Huh?
You want to go to the bottom and drive up it?
I don't want to check my arm. So it's your back. It's pretty steep right here.
You want me to get out and film?
Huh?
Let me get out and film. All right, it's officially slick right here. Dad says. Oh God.
Let me put it back up while I go. It's pretty slick right here.
Look at it sliding. Ain't nobody been down this way. This is virgin stuff here.
Yeah, bird materials.
There are some still out there.
Come down here and do a DN that donut.
Donut. I wouldn't do a donut.
How big flakes are you talking about this shit packing up like this?
This is where we should bring the little sleds and go.
And we got one. Yeah, boy, this would be a spot for a sled. Well, you could haul ass down through here.
And it's a parking lot.
I
Yeah.
guess it goes down the parking lot. Let's see if it's straight. Hell yeah, this would be the spot.
Ain't nobody coming back here.
Turns down
Hell
here,
yeah.
though.
Huh?
It turns right down here.
We can ride it out.
All the better, a jump.
You can go down that way.
Yeah, that's a median right there.
Oh, is
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a curve.
We got all the drop goes straight down there.
I don't think you're turning that.
No, they drop straight down though.
No. There's a curve right there. You gotta turn left.
Yeah, when it gets like this, you can't see where nothing is. I wouldn't do donuts. Last time I messed up her brakes. See, curve. That's a curve. That's what I was telling you. See, you're on the median.
What, the grass?
Yeah. You hit that curve and jumped up. That's what we was trying to
It
say.
don't want to do a damn donut for shit. It just wants to go.
Good. You gotta go to a park like you're familiar with.
Looks like a big spot to me, doesn't it?
Ooh, boom.
There's a curve.
We have a challenge here, folks.
Yeah, how we getting out of here, Mom? How we gonna make a damn snow run? You can't get out of here. Don't do that. Back to the track. Ain't there.
We gotta take a poop.
I'll take a shit later. Hey, get up there and take my drive.
Yeah. It just took a couple tries. Had to get a little momentum. And it ain't got mud and snow tires all the way around.
It's got all.
There we go, you stopped.
That's 4 high. You could have done that at the very bottom and never had a problem once.
You ever have pigs at your bag? Damn, y'all all right?
Here, take a camera.
It's 4 low. That's your demo. Everybody out.
It's a ghost track.
That old piece of shit going fucking Suburban. There she goes, all by herself. Everybody back in. Come on, go.
Mom, we gotta slide over. You want, you gonna be able to get in?
There you go. Street diamond.
4 low.
Snow diamond, bitch.
Duramax. You want me to help you push? Why don't he rock it? It's in the gravel. You got snow in your beard.
Hook the strap to it.
What?
Hook the strap to it.
You got snow in your beard. That's good. All right. Stop. It almost hit the Volvo. The quest for chili.
Yep. Speaking of blowing chili. Lisa.
This is a Skullburban chili run.
Chili run. I brought some chili that day. Didn't take it. We're gonna go out there and check over and make sure it's all good. She's in good spirit, so we'll go out there and
Test the Skullburban.
basically see if we can get up on the driveway. We street down on the shit out of this thing today. Turn the damn legs.
Snow down them.
You want anything?
Nah, I'm fine.
Y'all want anything? I'll bring it to you.
We officially stopped. They got brand new windshield
Yeah,
wipers.
boy. Had to stop at Kmart and pay double for them sons of bitches. But those are big living weather. They rate me on that.
That's hazard pay, is what it was.
And I got them too short. I need 16, I got the big 15.
I told her, what's one more in? Should be alright. Look, you can see now.
It's snowing more and more. We're heading out to Lisa. Oh, let's take my mama a chip.
Woo! Hopefully, she may have to microwave it in a brand new microwave.
Yeah.
Look at this lady. Just walking.
And she don't care if we get fucking stuck. If there's a car and we get stuck because your big ass. Shit, she don't know where she's at.
That's a cold cootie.
I get that crack home.
Oh, man.
You take me home with you, I'll put it for a dollar.
They give you some change back.
Yeah, I'll put it for a dollar. Hell, I'll put it for $3. $50. And it'll whip. Yeah.
Boy, it's actually pretty bad out here.
It's always mean on this side of town. This over here where we used to live. This motherfucker get out over here. You can be clear everywhere else. Yeah, son of a little bitch over here.
That's because this is kind of the ghetto hood.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Nobody cares about scraping these roads.
Yeah, they don't scrape the roads. It's kind of set back out in nowhere. They don't give a fuck about ice shit gets going off.
No.
We used to go in that Kmart with Justin and was little. It smells exactly the same. You ever go to places like that? It smells the same.
They don't never change.
Their memories come back to you like, yeah, I remember that.
Remember when they was having car shows in the parking lot? We go in there and get ices.
Ice, baby.
People walking
You
to
ever
the
notice
gas
how everybody,
stations.
like when it snows, they kind of pull together and start getting along and helping each other? As soon as the snow melts, everybody's like, fuck you, I didn't fucking knock you no more.
I didn't like you no way.
That's what happened in the blizzard. People's out now started helping each other and shit, shoving each other out and all that shit. People wouldn't even talk to each other. As soon as the snow melted, it's like everybody back to hating each other.
It's because it's global crisis.
Yeah. It's snowing over here, boy.
Yeah.
You know, they get in. Why don't these motherfuckers get out in the middle of the road? You know, big spurt will smash a little monkey ass, don't you? Come on, you bug. Hello, that one four-wheel drive in the D-I-D-I-T-Z,
No, he can't. How many people can we get to smoke cigarettes next to gas pumps?
Boys rode up over here. That's our hometown right here. They rode up.
The OG street
This
Dyno.
used to be my damn street dyno right here. Right there's my damn. Casey fell out of the truck and had to chase my truck down.
The wipers went off.
off.
The wipers went. There we go. I couldn't see.
I chased him about to roll off that damn bank right there. Got to right here and was turning down through there, and I had to run and catch that something. No, it was turning right there.
Yeah. Casey fell out through the turn right
Yeah,
here.
he fell out right up here. I had to stop and run back to get Casey. I forgot the damn truck. Justin jumped out.
I thought Casey was squashed. I thought it killed him.
We done all kinds of shit. I swear damn, one time I was over here and brought the car over this way and the damn thing went dead. Me and the boys had to damn take the battery out of it. Walked all the way down through here and carried that freaking battery all the way back to the house and put it in the truck.
Put it in something.
Put it in something. No way we could go, man. So fast. We used to live rough over here. You think we're rougher now? It ain't shit.
Yeah, I know. That's the funniest part is nowadays it ain't nothing like it used to be.
We Taj Mahal. It's like right here. This used to be getting up these two hills. It seemed like these hills was like 400 miles high when I lived over here. Like he ain't getting out of here. I brought Mom's Monte Carlo that up there behind the building up here one day. We was over there and she couldn't.
This right here was the original Dyno.
Yeah, we didn't know if you could get out or not. So I don't know if you've ever drove a car with radials on the back and bi-spline on the front in the snow. Holy shit, that's a bad combo. I got that Monte Carlo up to here and I couldn't back down the hill, couldn't go no which way. It was sliding all over hell. Then it had When it snowed in, nobody ever come over here. We're just here. And you see they don't even scrape the damn road.
No. That's what I
When they
said.
come back down Blizzard, I didn't see a straight truck for 7 days.
That's funny.
And it's over here at the original Skull Garage over here,
Well, what's left of it?
where it all went down.
Literally.
It all fell down.
There's been a mini burnout right here.
Yes, sir. This is that burnout spot right here. We used to light this shit up right here.
See the old mailbox? The box is gone.
No, it's still there.
Oh, it is? Look, see? Skull Garage used to be right there. That's old house? Right there's where the truck was built.
Yeah. You go back and look at the video right over there where we built it there, folks.
Right yonder. In that little grassed area. Oh, with snow covered everything, it looks kind of nice. Okay, so the roads that we thought would be the worst of all are not bad, really.
Yeah, I figured it'd be a lot worse out here. It really is, but it ain't.
They didn't get but about, 4 or 5 inches of snow.
Not that bad. Not bad at all. At least you can see some pavement. We just now got to already see a little pavement.
Yeah. We had to go in 4. Boom. The chili has made it out the house. All right, quit singing the chili song and let's go because it's chilly.
Boy, full of jokes.
I might fire the 6.4 up and back it up over here for a photo.
Real gassers out here. No candy ass shit this. He wants to back it up and give him a picture. Leave it. Throw your wind down. Throw your wind down. Snowcat, she goes like a champion. Guess I got to get mine out now. Winter, summer, spring, fall, it makes no difference, 24/7. Snowstorm, you can't stop a good gasser, boys.
2 dead cylinders makes no difference.
What is it?
2 dead cylinders makes no difference.
It makes no difference.
No, fire right up.
Clammy J, up on the hill. Real as it gets, boys.
We're no Wonderland.
Let's try. We want to give some pictures out here. Guess I got to get BP back here now.
Yep. I'll move this stuff out of
Now leave it there. I'll back up and I'm gonna get in the deep part.
You can't see.
Well, fuck, you couldn't see.
You just gotta look out the door.
Well, you couldn't see no better than I can see. There it is. Click.
when in a wintry storm, you may get snow inside your car. You may get snow inside your car.
If you got a real geyser, get some damn snow in it, boys.
Or dirt.
Get them out of the damn garage, out of them freaking nice ass trailers. Uh-oh. Can't see if got no fuel pressure.
You can hear fuel pressure. The back of your tank's shaking out. It's come loose. You're good over here. You're good over here. Cut it. A little more. That's a good stop. It's hard to drive, you can't see. What does it say? Reels and gets.
Reels to get, reels to get. Boom, 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 up in the snow, baby. Yeah, nothing like a spool in the snow. Hell, he backed up by it. I figured he'd climb down to them.
No, you got the spinning right here.
Yeah, that's all I done. Buck the limb right there. Buck that little hump. She's big.
He's gonna try to follow his tracks, but he can't see out the window. Time was a little advanced. Cut it towards the right just a little bit. Hey, look at me.
Well,
Look at
It'll
me.
be easy 586 in the snow.
Really?
Justin turn. Anything for a little bit of fun in the hot rod alley, boys.
Anything for a photo.
This is dedication. So we had to come out and get a picture to prove how we roll. Y'all go hardcore? Come on, down. Straight up, keep it straight. Straight on up. Straight in. Straight in, keep going, little more. A little more. Good. Real as it gets. Whew. Real as it gets. In the snow, big time. I don't think you're bad on my hook.
Put that in some room. Now people always say write your name in the snow. Check it out. I'm an artist with my wiener as well. In cursive. Thank you. Take a bath. Well, that was a success, man. We got our chili. We made it out here. Now we're heading home.
Didn't get the sled right. We're going to race.
Yeah. I was going to come down there, but Ernie took them over to Brent's for the grandkids.
Y'all damn lucky they wasn't up there because we took off on it.
Watch.
Just to come back down, I said, let's do it. He's like, I don't want to.
I didn't want to. But then I changed my mind and said, fine, I'll do it. Let's see what you got.
All right, we got 1 minute of footage left. We're heading back to the house.
Everybody's having fun. Pull some shit up, boy. Let's see it.
Fire them up, back them out in the snow.
Yeah, get that shit out. Get a little snow in there. Get a little cold on your weed. Let's go.
I'm doing mine there.
He ain't outdone me. I rubbed my finger in the snow. He had to go piss his name. I can't even get a damn deep, but I'm gonna save up some piss and be all.
All right, we'll be back.
I'm gonna do mine 6 foot away.
We're here at the Skull Garage 735 Downhill Snowboard Championships. Now up on the hill, Justin Wilson making his first pass. If he completes this run, he will get a trophy. There's a trophy. It's a tractor for running in the snow, first place. Oh, let's pan up to the hill. There he is, way up there.
I'd like to thank my family that made this possible.
Wait, I can't hear you. Wait, I can't hear you. Go ahead.
So I'd like to thank my family that made it possible for me to get here today. I'm bringing home gold, Dad.
Bring home gold. He's going for the gold medal.
Actually, I'm just trying to make it to the bottom.
Don't say that. You fuck up the whole production. He ain't been on the snowboard in a long time, but he's off. He's hauling so much ass. Look at him go. And down, but he completes his run. He completes his run.
Once they got packed in, they got a little faster.
Yeah, one more run. One more run for the championship. See how he shakes it off? He's up like a cat, back on his feet. You can't hurt these athletes, folks. You was hauling so much ass.
I got snow in my ear. I'll go one more. I can't steer it. My feet's too big. I'm digging in the ground.
Well, that's why you're a champion.
And then right here where I hit where it's deep, that 230 pounds pile me first.
He's going again. There are no more competitors, in case you're wondering. So
Made it to the semifinals. We got one more run.
it's a Skull Garage Special Olympics. It's special because we ain't got one damn person.
I know. I got nobody to come out here and do
Special because there's everybody else. Candy actually wants to stay home. You don't go snowboard? No, stay in Edwards. No. Shit. We have to make our own damn fun out here by ourselves. Don't tear the roots up. You know how much them cost to replace? You're fucking up the damn course. Yeah, but you're making a fucking mess of the course now. You have to slow you down on time. I'm gonna get close this time, and I'm gonna get a damn feature shot if I can get across this fucking ditch. Huh? I'm getting down here in action this time. I'm getting a close shot. I'm getting a fucking Wide World of Sports Howard Coast South shot. He's mounting up. He's checking the course. Huh?
That all went in down my back. I'm freezing.
You look like a big Sasquatch up there on the hill. All right. It's late night, end of Friday. One more pass on a snowboard competition only. You think he can just draw and drive race cars? No, he's a snowboarder champion. Oh, I'm getting a shot. He's only hauling so much ass, he goes down again. Oh.
It does fine until you hit the deep stuff.
I still think that speed's enough to get you first place.
Well, in a competition,
I'm pretty sure.
I'm the only one in her.
Well, I know, I'm pretty sure that you pretty had the fastest time right there.
God, it's cold.
So wait, come on, watch the ditch, watch the ditch. Oh, God damn, about busted my ass. Okay, all right, we give a trophy. Here it is. First place, Justin Wilson, Arden Snowboarding Championship. Says it right there. Woo! How was it? How was it?
It's making me tear up. Oh,
How was the weather today?
it was awful. The course was not up to my specifications.
How long have you trained for this?
10 minutes.
Oh, don't say that.
Lifetime, 28 years.
28 years. What kind of board you running?
A Walmart specialty from 2007, I believe. Colton got it for his birthday. Nothing but the best for me. Look, see how close this is? You can't get no balance because your feet are so close.
He had plenty of balance. Look at the snow on him, folks. You tell me that ain't real as it gets. He's out here risking his life.
By myself.
By himself for the championships. He's taking home the trophy. There it is. That's right. Some people dream of it and some people do it.
We do it. Now let's turn the heat on. That snow is all down my back in my drawers.